You're watching Masters in Trading Live with Jonathan Rose.
Hey friends, it's Jonathan Rose. I don't know why I'm wearing headphones. It's Jonathan Rose and welcome to Masters in Trading Live. On Masters in Trading Live, I get on here every day the market's open, 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time, go over the markets, see what's going on, and once in a while we'll even share our trade of the day. Fed came out. It wasn't quarter point, it was a half a point in what's being called an unprecedented move. It is unprecedented, but whenever we see the word unprecedented, you kind of expect some follow through in the market. I think the Fed just lowered a half a point. Rumors of them coming with another half a point before the end of the year. Market, after the Fed announcement, it kind of messed around, did a lot of nothing, couple of fake outs each way. But the thing is, the volatility measures were slowly coming in. We're slowly falling after the Fed released. That's why in our Discord, I said, guys, market feels strong. It can't break. It can't fall. And when it can't fall after Fed with volatility going lower, that is a sign for a bullish market. That's what we got right here. Bullish, okay? Buying pullbacks. Why do they say, don't fight the Fed? It's going to come up. Don't fight the Fed. They're lowering rates. They're going to lower rates quickly. The market is a buy on all pullbacks. That's going to be the approach for the foreseeable future. Let's go to the slide deck. I want to show you guys a few things. Hopefully it makes some sense. Oh, we're buffering. No! Hopefully YouTube's okay. But nevertheless, I'm going to keep going. And let's go over to the Qs. We are looking at the Qs. Qs are just strong, right? Here, gapped up 483. Now, as the Qs are going higher, volatility measures are going lower. So if we look at the vol measures, and we look at the different VIX, VIX is VIXI, the 1 day 13, this 9 day, guys, is nothing. Bullish, 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 bullish. Back up the truck. All of these are low. 23 days, 30 day, 37 day. Ooh, a little bit of vol out here, 3 months. Why? Common sense, right? The election, duh. Right now, the market is unbelievably strong. Don't fight the Fed. We are going higher. Take you to the slide deck here. So our advanced notice tool helps us find the trades that are the most unusual in the market. The trades that were the most unusual in the market yesterday, which was number one on our advanced notice, EWTX. Look at this guy. EWTX. See if we can get these both on the screen so we can look at them. So EWTX. So our unusual option activity yesterday morning, and this was the number one unusual option activity trade for yesterday. It was before Fed. Well, this thing ends up jumping 50% after seeing these trades. This is why we follow unusual option activity. This wasn't a trade recommendation. I was really busy yesterday, but this popped out on our advanced notice tool. Somebody knows something to see gargantuan orders right before the Fed release, and then this darn thing's up 50% today. So another, obviously, just crazy name in EWTX. I'm hearing that we are having some buffering. YouTube is fine. Those we are doing our best. Please be nice, guys. If it's buffering a little bit on YouTube, it should be working just fine. Please understand that we are certainly doing our best. So be nice. Yesterday, after Fed, this is why I love having a community. Everybody's busy, right? But after Fed, Michael here, hey, GDX is up over 3%. Time to get back into a GDX trade. Now, I can't give individual advice in our Discord community. So when Michael shared this, I'm sitting here like, yes, 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 yes. But I can't give individual advice. But these guys are jumping on the trade anyway. Scrappy gets in the GDXJ and was able to make 100%, doubled very, very quickly. Now, I want to show you the reason for this trade because it's such a smart trade, but also the incredible value of being in a community and learning. Because today is Thursday, September 9th. If you go back and you listen to Tuesday, Wednesday, we talked about silver being so unbelievably cheap, right? So we want to buy silver. Here's our gold-silver ratio. When this goes down, gold is going lower and silver is going higher. So this is still lots of room here. But the reason why after Fed, the room was getting excited that we can also buy puts in gold is because I've been screaming from the rooftops, silver, 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 silver. Get long silver. We're long silver. So as gold rallies, you almost get like a free trade in gold. So that was the conversation yesterday. And even without me jumping in there, the guys were able to jump in and do this trade without me. So congrats. Love seeing that. Carmine did a little paper trading in ODTE. I watched a SPY at close. Paper traded. Bought for 67 cents, sold today at $4.50. ODTE options or short-term options are excellent when you have a thesis for doing those trades. What else do we got? Just 1 second here. Oh, I know what I wanted to do. Here's what I wanted to do with you guys. Here's the promotional portfolio. Let's go over the promotional portfolio because we share a lot of trades. And I'm always concerned that we share so many trades that people aren't going to know how to manage them. So what's really important is that we go over whatever open positions that we have. Underneath Masters of Trading Live, the video, you can scroll down to the promotional portfolio and position status. I just want to look at our open trades. Now, Ethereum relative to Bitcoin, Bitcoin's performing well, Ethereum is not. Patience. Katos we covered yesterday. We are going to stay in this trade. Katos had a really, really strong day yesterday. Katos is pulling back a little bit today, down 4%. That's fine. Caesar. Here's a trade that we shared May 26th. I'm going to pull up the options on Caesar. And so Caesar bought for 43.61 and right now it's 41.28. So we're down 250 on the stock, right? But the options we sold for 723 January 60s. And they're right down at 43 cents. So Caesar. Oh, excuse me. Are we further out? We are further out, yeah. Caesar, 60s, right here. So we're up about $3 on this Caesar. Hold. This is just a long-term trade. We're up some good money on Caesar. We are just patient and we are waiting. Lyft, we're just staying long. Lyft, we've lowered our cost basis a little bit, but we're still long the stock. If we see another chance, we may sell some upside calls. HPP, I know some of you guys have added onto this trade. If you are in HPP and you just have these December 7.5s, I would add. I would add right here, 20-cent bid for January 2025, 7.5 calls. So you can be adding on this HPP, 20-cent bid on the 7.5 calls to add to that HPP position. Turkey, we're just going to hold. Turkey, we still have some good conversation about Turkey in our Discord. Platinum is doing okay. Platinum is also very, very inexpensive relative to gold. So too, for those who are not in our community, but that are holding platinum, you may consider you also have that free trade in GDX or GDXJ. So that's a conversation in the Discord that people talk about. Hey, platinum relative to gold, as gold rallies, you have a free option to sell gold. If you want to do that trade, I do like just sitting long platinum. It's the right position. And then PAS here, we still have these 23 calls. We need PAS to make a little bit of a move. What about Meta? Meta, wow. Meta, we're in at 511. You know what? Take Meta off. Let's cover Meta, guys. We're going to cover Meta in the promotional portfolio. We bought Meta at 511. We're going to take Meta off at 559. Can I get a hoorah? I'm going to get a glockenspiel. That's a glockenspiel. Okay, so Meta, we're going to take it off, and the glockenspiel confirms that. Okay, great trade, bravo. Tesla covered call. Why did we do the Tesla covered call? We did the Tesla covered call because of the big robo-taxi event that's coming in October. Tesla 221, stock is 241. We are also short the 270 calls. See what those look like? We are going to hold this position, by the way. We're going to be on here for a little bit today, guys. We got some work to do. Really, I want to make sure everybody's okay, so that's why I want to go over all these trades. Buying on pullbacks. What are we talking about Tesla, right? See, the problem once I start using that glockenspiel, it becomes addictive. Okay, so here we go. Tesla. Tesla covered call, October 270s. October 270s, 780. Those are expensive. Just holding. We're just holding a covered call, long stock. I think we're going to get the full value of this thing too. Just hold, patience. This is a very, very good trade. BZ. Let's talk BZ. BZ, I love ADRs. Why do I love ADRs? American Depository Receipts. I love them because nobody knows how to value them. That's why. I think they're a bunch of hogwash. Nobody knows where to value something you can't pronounce with phenomenal liquidity. BZ, October 12.5 calls. We got in for 58 cents. That's such a good trade. Let's get out of the pool too. Let's get out of this pool too. Try to sell for 85 cents or sell for 90 cents. Just cover this trade. Again, beautiful trade. This gets the glockenspiel. Ooh, one more for good luck. Oh, thank you. So BZ, let's take off. Got a question on the meta trade? We're just taking off the trade. Buy, sell, nice and clean. Okay? Buy one, sell one. BZ. AG call spread. AG call spread we shared 2 days ago. Why do we share the AG call spread? Say it together. Silver. We're long silver. We're not long gold. We're long silver. AG, stay long silver. Now, I want to remind you, it's a challenge to trade options on stocks that are priced under $7. It just is. The strikes, 6 or 7. It's like 30% apart. So that adds an extra dynamic. I don't mind with AG because I am so uber long. That was cool. We got to go over a bunch of the promotional portfolio trades, and we certainly got some wing dingers in there. And then plus, I got to play with the glockenspiel, which was a lot of fun on my part. Rainy Day in Discord is asking about Meta. Hopefully that clears things up in our all access portion of the video. I'm going to go over another trade that gives us a little bit of a short exposure. Thanks everybody for watching. If you guys ain't got any questions, send in an email, leave a comment under the YouTube video. Enjoy the day. Thanks, guys.